Hi everyone, this is Sunil here. You're all welcome to this online session. In this session, we are going to talk about the JMS specific JMS event schema manager. Okay, so we're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about how to generate and deploy ORS specific schema. So let me try it, and you can see that it's showing me some error. So let me try to generate it. All it is saying is I don't have a package. For example, I can check it. So details, there is no secure objects to generate it. Verified that at least one package is secure. So what I do here is I'll go to the packages and I'll try creating a package here. So let me go and try to create a package. I will make it put package so that it's more flexible. And yeah, so let me name it as party. So party next, and I create a new query group, QG, and then let's say party. Okay, and then I'm going to create a query, just a dummy query, I mean simple query, and then we'll go back to the JMS event schema manager. So new query, I just create a very basic query, right? So just select the table as party and party. I'll name it as QU underscore party. Next, and finish it. So pretty much done. It's creating the query now. And yeah, finish. So it's done. So once that is done, now let's go back to the JMS schema event manager and try to generate the schema. I'll tell you what exactly this thing is, JMS schema manager, what it does. Once we generate the file, then I'm going to show you what the file contains. Then probably you will have more idea on what I'm talking about. So let's go here and try generating one. So now it should be able to generate. It's not through any message because I already have packages. So you can see here it is creating the file. What basically it is doing is it's generating the schema. It means it's generating an XSD file. That is, if you understand an XML file, then this is the metadata file for the XML. That's the XSD file, and I can download this file. And let me save it in my desktop. Let me open this from my desktop. Let's see, where did it go? Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. Let me open this in my Notepad++. So here I go. I do see a lot of things. Let me see, what do I see here? So you can see here insert event, update event, update xref, except as unique event. I do see a lot of things here, right? So I can see how is the insert going to look like. For example, when you do it for the party package, then how it's going to look like, how do you send it, and if you want to, like, basically when you try to publish a message, for example, when I go here for, let's say, party table, I go here and try to publish a message. Let me go here, add a message trigger, I give any name, let's say I give just any name, and choose the package, and I go here. So when I choose this, right, finally next, and when I say this and finish, let's say adding data, updating data, this one, next, turn it, right, and finish it off. Now what's going to happen is XML message, if there are any changes to your MDM, any insert or update, a message will be published into the JMS queue. Now what is that message that is going to be published? That message will be published, and this is the schema definition for that. I mean, if someone, the downstream application they want to understand the XML message, they need this file as well, because that's how it's going to work. Because you can see here all the things, it contains all the definitions, that all the types of messages that could be in there and all that, right? So this is quite an important file, but this is how you're going to use it, right? So that's about this short session. This was about the JMS event schema manager, and whenever there are any changes, you can again go find out how to sync objects, and then you can regenerate this, and you can do that, right? So you need to regenerate it every time if there are any significant changes in your system. Otherwise you don't need to do it. Okay, so that's about this short session about this, and I'm going to finish it. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much, guys.